Titikman muna natin sila ngayon. Later on, we're gonna munch them. Less guilt or half the guilt, no? Napabo kabalin, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to We're in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our We're in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank Just Cookies. So if you check out their fan page and Instagram, it's _Just Cookies, and they send us 4 boxes of their products. So these are actually great delicacies and sweets. They have been promoted by some of our friends, no? Si Voltaire, Madam Mitch. I also saw Country's Teen promoting this product. So probably, you know, one of the best we're gonna have. So let me start introducing them to you one by one, starting off from the classic chocolate chip. So this is brown butter, dark chocolate chunk, and of course, chocolate chips. Wow! Wow, I like it. Brown butter nga talaga niya. It tastes really good. Next is the oatmeal cookies. They have 3 variants. So first off, yung plain oatmeal. And then next is the oatmeal with raisin. And then lastly, meron tayong oatmeal with chocolate chip. So I'm gonna taste yung oatmeal with chocolate chip. Oh wow! Grabe. I wanna taste now yung kanilang oatmeal with raisin. At the end of the day, of course, these are sweet. But then again, if you have oatmeal in your cookies, of course, that makes it, you know, parang less guilt or half the guilt, no? Anyway, grabe, I like both of them. But if you are to ask me which is preferably better for me, I think I'll go for the raisin. May lasa na medyo pagka-rum because of the raisin, no? So next is this chocolate chip walnut. Creamy chocolate chip cookies with crunchy walnuts, of course, yan. Of course, we always enjoy cookies with walnuts. Who doesn't, diba? Grabe. You know what? Let me commend them, no? Starting off from the first cookie up until to this cookie na tinitikman ko ngayon. Very consistent yung sweetness nila. It's not too sweet, although hindi naman siya ganun katabang. But then again, very consistent talaga yung mga sweetness nila all throughout their cookies. Oh wow! So, lastly guys, this got me really curious. This is my first time to encounter these kind of cookies. Again, usually cookies are sweet, but this time, this is cheese flavor. And hindi lang basta-basta cheese ang ginamit nila dito, guys. This is a Cheetos. So this craze from these kind of cookies started in USA back in 2017, wherein they mash up yung favorite Cheetos natin, put it in a cookie. All throughout ng cookie natin is flavored with Cheetos. Oh wow, that is really new to me. If you've been following us, guys, I mean, really, this is the first time we're gonna be receiving this kind of cookie. It's actually cheesy, it's creamy, a little bit, you know, savory. But you know what, guys? Talagang mag-enjoy dito sa amin, dito sa bahay, is my wife. She actually loves cheese snacks, especially Cheetos. But if you are to ask me, sa mga 4 na boxes, kung ano yung pinaka-pipiliin ko talaga, I think I'll go for this classic cookie right here. Sinabi ko nga sa inyo kanina, yung brown butter niya is really delicious for me because I really like. So, for more information, we're gonna be flashing their menu and prices dito ngayon. But to know more about their products, make sure to check out their fan page. Get to know more about these cookies. So guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up. You share it with your friends, and hope to see you in the next video because I'm gonna be there. Until then, stay safe and stay at home. God bless us all. Peace. Bye. I'm gonna finish this.